Learn English to Mauritian Creole language in the context of true love story between Abishek and Trisha. Angel and I became more closer when we knew we are a family now. Angel et moi, nous vîmes plus proches quand nous koné nous en famille aster. It was in the month of November. I still remember. After tuition, Angel took me at her place so that I can meet Abishek. Ti dans mois Novam. Mot enkor rapel. Après les sons, Angel in amène-moi kotli pour qui mot kapav zuen Abishek. But I was feeling very stressed because on that day Abishek lost his grandfather, whom he was very close to. Mais, senti-moi stressé akoz sa jour-là, Abishek perdi son grandpére avec qui il était bien proche. Even on a day like this, Abishek took out some time to see me at Angel's place because they live across each other. Quand même dans un jour comme ça, Abishek in tient un peu le temps in vin moi akoz je stresse vis-à-vis à chacun. Please share, like and subscribe if you want to know more of our beautiful love story. Thank you.